Parents and caregivers can create posts and programs in which they are members. To create a post, go to moment.com and tap Login. If you are already logged in, you will land on My Organizations page. In this case, Katie has students in both Redwood Grove After School Enrichment and Redwood Grove Summer. By tapping the View Program Dashboard button, she lands on the Communication tab of one of the after-school programs, in this case, Basketball Fundamentals. To switch programs, she taps the Switch Program button, and in this case, she will select Intermediate Spanish. On the Communications tab, she will see the timeline, the roster, her students, as well as upcoming events. In order to post, she taps on What's on Your Mind. She can complete the subject line, add a message, and add up to 10 photos and 1 video. When she is ready to post, she can simply tap Post Now. After posting, she will land on the feed and see the new post.